Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another little haul, and then it's a clothing haul, just a couple of pieces I picked up to transition into fall, and then I picked up the candle holders that I broke in my last video. This one's a little bit different than that. This one I thought matched better with the vase that I picked up. So if you're new here, you don't know who I am, you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Jackie. I would love you to hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell so you're notified when my next videos goes up. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back, and let's get into it. I'm going to start with the candle holder that I picked up because I want to put it back. I just don't want to break this one. So this is the candle holder. Looks like that. Beautiful, beautiful. I picked up two. These were $12.99 at Burlington, and I just thought they were so pretty. I got two of the same size because one of the other candle holder that didn't break is taller, so I like how it looks together, the three pieces. I am gonna pop a picture here of how it looks, and I did pick up some flowers that I didn't pick them up. I already had them, but I just haven't been doing much with them, and I just thought that they would look so nice in the vase. So I folded them up because they were long, and I put them in the vase, and I love how it looks. I do want to pick up some of the hydrangeas in white because I'm not sure if I want to keep those flowers all year round or just for like right now. But again, this is the candle holder that I picked up, and I love. It's got that like broken glass on the bottom and here. I did put a tea light into it. I am looking to pick up the twinkling lights, the fairy light that I want to put in here with a timer so that they come on, because I have one in the living room and I put it in here just to see, and I love how it looks with the glass and, you know, just coming into the room to seeing that light. It looks so nice. So this is the first thing that I picked up, and I'm just gonna put it back because I don't want to break it. Okay, so the next things that I picked up are just clothing, and I'm gonna start with these two, which are just like basic pieces. These I got at Walmart. This was another one of those crew neck tops. This was $3, and it's like that. I've already worn the white one, and I've already worn the burnt orange one, and it's so soft. They fit so nice. They, you know, they dress up an outfit. They're not like that cheap material. Like, they feel so nice. So I picked up this blue one, which probably would have went nice with what I have today, but anyways. So I got this one, and I was looking for more to just keep for, like, you know, layering pieces, but they were gone like that. And I'm sure it's because it feels really nice, and it was on clearance for $3. I picked up is this one, and I never pick up anything from this brand Terra Sky at Walmart because I don't know, I'm not a fan of their style, but this one I liked because it does have like this little cage detail in the front. It is sleeveless. I thought this would be another great piece for layering under a blazer, under a cardigan. This one was also on clearance for $3 from $12.94. I got it in a 1X, and you can never go wrong with like basic black. So again, another piece that feels so nice. If they would have had other colors, I would have picked up a whole bunch, but I figured let me just try this one, and if it washes nicely, then I know going forward to pick up from this brand. Usually I pick up from the brand Time and True. I love their stuff. I never really looked to this one, but you know, you should try things out. So I got these two. These are pieces that I picked up at Rainbows, and I have seen this brand before. It's the brand Rebel, and it's Rebel Wilson by Angels, and I picked up these two skirts. So I told you guys in a few hauls back that I've been watching this lady called Karen Britchick on YouTube. She does so much like vintage styles and thrifting and just like how to combine patterns and things like that, and I've been loving the way she, you know, mixes prints, you know, wear something dressy with something casual, dresses something up, dresses something down. So I saw these two skirts and they made me think about her, because I've been on the hunt for, one, a leather skirt or some leather pants, and two, a long, like, I don't know what you call that, crinkle look, and three, something kind of metallic-y. So I picked up these at Rainbows. I picked up these at Burlington. It's from the brand Rebel. This says that originally it's $129 and I got it for $14.99. So it is this black skirt. Now this is not leather, I don't think. I don't think this is leather. It's very, very soft, but I don't think it's leather. Let me just check. So the inside has like this suede feel. And then what I loved was that on the bottom, it has like this beautiful like lace detail going all the way around, which just makes it go from like leathery moto style kind of a look, like, you know, to a little bit dressy, because it does have this nice lace detail on the bottom. So I thought this with like a big slouchy sweater, some heels or some booties would look really nice going into the fall and winter. Or I can dress it up with a blouse, you know, come the holidays, and some heels. And if I wanted to wear it with like some chunky sneakers and a graphic tee, I think I could do that, because that's what's been trending, that I've been seeing a lot. But I do love the way this skirt fit, and I do love that lace detail it has on the bottom. And for $14.99, I could not let it go. So that is the first one. This one is also from the brand Rebel. This one says it's originally $139. I got them both for $14.99 at Burlington. And this one, it stood out to me because of the color, the pattern, and I was like, I need this in my life. So this is the next one, and it's exactly what I was looking for, that crinkled, I don't know what you call it, pattern. It's got that nice shine to it. It's not long, but it's big enough on the waist, because I got this in a 22. So from the waist, it's a little looser. You can wear it a little lower than you would normally wear it, which gives it a little bit more length. And I feel like this one kind of runs a little small, because I could have went with the 18 and it would have felt like that. But this one, I had to go up 2 sizes to get like that relaxed look. Another one that I think that with a nice graphic t-shirt and some sneakers, you can pull it off, or nice chunky sweater, you know, some boots, it would look super nice. Another, going into the holidays, it would look super nice with a nice black, maybe lace top, something like that. But I saw this and it feels so nice. It feels like velvet, and I loved it. So I picked up this, and I can't wait to style them. I do need to pick up like pantyhose and like tights and stuff like that, but I'm excited for those 2 pieces, because it isn't something that I would normally pick up. Like, I'm usually like, oh, it's too cold to be wearing a skirt. But the way I'm planning to style it, I think it's going to look, really, really nice going into the winter. If you hear me a little stuffy, my allergies are kicking in. I've been sneezing non-stop, so if you see the video cutting a lot, it's because I'm sneezing in between. But this is everything I picked up. I just wanted to show you guys a couple of things that I have thinking about doing, like a lookbook for the fall, winter, more like winter. And then the little pieces that I'm picking up here and there. I still am on the hunt for like decorative pillows to put on the bed. I'm looking for the bigger ones to put like behind the pillows to give it like a big fluffy hotel look like. And I think that's it for now. I have another video that I'm gonna record now. So if I'm in the same outfit, that is why. It's something that was sent to me that's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I still wanted to give it a try, and I still wanted to show you guys, because I know a lot of people are going the natural, organic, non-toxic kind of way. And this is something that I think a lot of you might enjoy, might not, might be TMI, but stay on the lookout. It's coming up probably right after this or together with this. So I know this is a bit of a short haul compared to my others, but I've been thinking that I don't want to hold on to pieces waiting to film and not be able to enjoy them. This is something I can wear now before it gets super cold, so I don't want to hold on to it waiting on other pieces that I'm looking at or picking up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, your family, your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.